Alright, these are going to have to go to the media blaster that did all the other parts. The size of tank I would need to strip off that chrome doesn't. It's a lot more convenient and actually probably less expensive just to have someone media blast all that chrome off. And while they're doing it, any remaining rust will come off in that process. For the spokes themselves, you know, our ultrasonic cleaner and a concentrate of simple green has removed most of the chrome, as you can see now. I got to get some primer on these so they don't start rusting. But before I do that, let's see if you can see it here. In the removal process, some of these got, you know, a little marred, and you see some burrs here. You can certainly feel them when you rub your finger on it. So I'm going to hit the heads of those with a file, take any burrs off, then hit them with paint. And the spokes themselves, I'm probably just going to run some 80 grit across these, and then also everything's going to be painted, wheels, spokes, etc. So just is the prep work to get that done. Alright, I think it's that one flat screw.
These are not baseball cards we're talking about here.
Might have to take off that one on the other side.
Human beings.
We'll see.
Heads.
Bracket here. That's the orientation. It came out of there. It doesn't dislodge this. My assumption is that these two flatheads retain this. This has to come off to let this slide through and out. We'll try that. Alright, got half of it off. The horn button wraps wraps around that way. It goes underneath here, so that flathead screw has to come out to release this switch. Alright, this is going to be complicated. This was in like this. On this side is that little ball bearing. It was held on by some electrical tape, from what I can tell. And then on this side was this, and a little spring was holding it on. Alright, I just wanted to show this. So, I'd already shown previously this blue wire was disconnected from that soldering point on the high-low beam stuff. That's fine. Just notice this though. Underneath this not stock electrical tape, this green wire is not crimped in, and looks like the red is already there too. So I think just gonna have to put some wiring work into the handlebars. Put it on the list. Alright, so removing the wiring from the handlebars, I didn't want to risk trying to feed this all the way through and hope it didn't get caught in here. So I've disconnected this from the two remaining wires. So going from right to left, it's red, green, blue. Alright, so the wiring is out of the handlebars. On the right side, or throttle side, there's only this single red and yellow wire which is the starter button. The left side, headlights and horn. Headlights are the red, yellow, blue. Horn is that looks black to me. Geez, sorry. Odd thing is there are too many wires. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe a prior owner. I'll reference the specs and see what really should be there. That looks right. This, not so much. Of interest, all this debris came out of the handlebars once I remove those wires from the left side. Gonna remove this handle, this grip. Gonna put some WD-40 on there, let it soak a little bit. See if I can't just pull it off. If not, might add a little heat here. Just slide it off the left side of the handlebars. Alright. These are beyond me, so they're all going to the media blaster too.